Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And in today's video, we're going to be heading to the scariest dimension we've been to in a long time. We're going to be heading to the BLOOP dimension, which is a really scary sea-eating monster. I heard the BLOOP can actually eat sharks, whales, and Minecraft players. Which I really hope I don't get 8, guys. Because that would be really, really sad. You know what? I'm going to give him some eggs. I'm going to give him some apples. So hopefully I don't fall victim to him. But what we're going to be using, guys, to make the frame to head to the BLOOP dimension is we're going to be using 10 cyan wool. We're also going to be using 4 black wool. And then what we're going to be using to light the frame so we can head to the BLOOP dimension is we're going to be using a flint and steel. Wow, that actually looks pretty cool, guys. I can look through the flint and steel with just one eyeball. But let's go ahead and let's get into making this, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our cyan wool and we're going to place 2 of these on the ground. Just like that. Now we're just going to go ahead, grab our black wool and place 1 of these on each side of our cyan wool. Just like that right there. Now we can go ahead, jump on up, grab our cyan wool and place 3 of these on this side with 1 black wool right on top. Now we can just go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt my butt. But now we can just go ahead, grab our cyan wool, place 3 of them on this side, slap 2 of them right in the middle, and then to finish it off with our black wool on the edge, guys. Now we have built our BLOOP frame. So now we can go ahead and jump on the sheep. Oh my god, I totally missed him. Look at him. He's so angry now. He's gonna try to beat me up, guys. He's gonna try to feed me a knuckle sandwich. Oh no, he's gonna try to head through the BLOOP dimension. I haven't lit it yet. You know why? Because I'm not letting you go to the BLOOP dimension because the BLOOP eat you. But you know what? If you want to go, you can go. Hopefully he'll eat you and not me. Look, he's running. He's scared, guys. He's so scared now. But now we can just go ahead, whip out our flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Oh my god, guys. That looks so amazing. But also scary, because I know I'm going to have to go in there and face the BLOOP. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh my god, guys. Thank goodness we did not come into this dimension and straight into the BLOOP's mouth. Because I seriously thought that might actually happen, guys. But you know what? This dimension is actually pretty nice. We're on a boat. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Unless the BLOOP just comes out of nowhere and eats this whole entire boat. Then that would be kind of sad. That would actually be really, really sad for me. Because then I would just become, food. Along with the boat. I'd basically, at that point, I would kind of be like, what do they call those? Shish kebabs? Because they're wood and then they have the meat. I would kind of be a Smooth Marky Bob. To be honest. That's what I would be. But oh my god. Did you guys see that? Did you guys just see that? That was the BLOOP. Oh my god, guys. He just went down into the water. Should we follow him? Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Those sea animals are disappearing. Oh no, guys. Oh no. This is really, really bad. Let me see what's inside this chest. Nothing, really? Oh, snap, guys. We got a trident. You know what? We can take him out with a trident. I don't know what the heck we're going to do with the carrot on a stick. What are we going to do? Pick him up? That's crazy. Oh my god, right there he is. Let me try to hit him with this. Did absolutely nothing. Did absolutely nothing. Are you kidding me? Let's go ahead and swim down there to him. This is actually pretty cool, guys. I love the fact that they got safety boats. Oh my god, guys. All I can see is like the outline of him. Should I head down there into the water and see if he's good? Or if he's bad? I kind of don't want to get ate like these fish are getting ate. Oh my god, he's turning on me. Oh my god, he's turning on me, guys. Oh my god, guys. I think he sniffed me out. Oh, snap. Look at how big he is. You know what? I'm not going to be afraid of him, guys. Let's just do it. Let's just jump into the water. Maybe he don't eat Minecraft players. Maybe he only eats fish. So let's see this dude in action. Oh my god, look at how gigantic he is. Wow, that is crazy. I wish I had some night vision, guys, so we could see him better. Is he actually scared of me? He's swimming away. Oh no, now he's swimming my way. Oh my god, he's swimming my way really fast. Okay, big boy. Just turn it around. Just turn it around. I think he's full right now, guys. That's why he's not messing around with us. Let's try to throw some eggs at him. Okay, my eggs did absolutely nothing. They're just falling slowly to the bottom of the sea. Should I head inside his mouth? I feel like I should, just to see what's going on in there. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. Oh my god, right there he is. Whoa, he is so gigantic. And you can't damage him whatsoever, guys. Like, you can't damage him at all. Oh my god, I'm taking damage. Oh no, I gotta get up there. That's crazy, guys. That is really, really crazy. But you know what? I'm happy that he seems to be somewhat friendly, guys. Maybe he's just full right now, and he's going to try to eat me later. I don't even know where the heck he went, guys, because he's really quick. Oh, right there he is. And he camouflages himself really, really good. But, you know, hopefully I don't end up getting ate by him because he has some really, really sharp teeth. Look at those things. He might should go to a dentist and get them clean, though. Maybe that's why I got this carrot on the stick, is so I can clean his teeth. So he don't get any cavities or anything, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely, I have to say, terrifying, but also amazing dimension, because look at that humongous pirate ship, guys. That is so cool. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.